We at times to think that God sent His Son only to us, not the others. God sent His Son, as John tells us, to the whole creation. God loved the world so much that He sent His only Son, the world, everyone. Second thing we learn is to persevere and persevere in faith. There are times when we tend to believe God is deaf, doesn't hear us. God tests at times our faith. God's delay in granting what we ask, and it is not in a way denial. It could be a message that what you are asking is not good for you at the moment. Could be later on. So let's today ask God's grace for us, that we will treat everyone who live with us, not our own families, but also other faith, as our own brothers and sisters. And when we are discouraged, we don't seem to get what we need, either for ourselves, our children, our business, let's keep on trusting and trusting the Lord. So believe that a time will come, Jesus will answer our prayers.